I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and choosing the sheet you want to view. Once done, look to the bottom right status bar for the zoom slider. That's the fastest control. You can also go to the View tab and click Zoom, or use Control plus your mouse wheel to change zoom smoothly. Make sure to pick a target like 100% for standard view, larger for detail, or a custom percent if you need a precise scale for printing or presentation. Now you'll refine the zoom using either the View tab or the slider. If you need an exact value, click View, choose Zoom, and type the percent. This ensures consistent sizing. Alternatively, drag the status bar slider left or right for immediate visual feedback when scanning data. For quick, subtle changes, hold Control and spin the mouse wheel. This feels natural when reading rows. Make sure to check how wrapped text and column widths respond. Finish by confirming your chosen zoom on any other sheets you'll use. Consistency matters for presentations. Once done, switch to Page Layout or Page Break Preview to verify how scaling affects printing. If something looks off, icons repositioned or zoom stuck, reset to 100% first, then reopen the workbook. Often that resolves transient interface glitches. If issues persist, check for frozen panes or custom view settings that override visual expectations, and make sure Excel's window isn't being scaled by your OS display settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.